Hey y'all, it's your girl. We're going to look at the ABAC Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish Set with magnet. Here's CY0061. It's like a silver tone. CY0062. CY0063 is like a light lavender. CY0064, sort of like a mink color. Very pretty. CY0065 is like a bronzed orange. So pretty. CY0066 is sort of a reddish tone. Reddish orange. I had to go back for another cat eye swipe. CY0067 is like a plum color. So pretty. Look how reactive they are. Very, very good gel cat eye polishes. CY0068 is like a teal aqua tone. CY0069, it's like a light sage. Super pretty. CY0070, it's a light blue color. And here are the butterfly swatches I like to use. On the left is one coat. On the right-hand side are two coats. And hopefully you can see in the video the cat eye effect. It's sort of like a, not a diamond finish, but like a whitish tone. Yeah, the base color, like on this one, the base color is an orangish, bronzy color, and then you can see the white cat eye effect. And here's the one that's a little more red. Beautiful, CY0066. And this purple tone is beautiful. Plum or orchid. And look at that green. Look how vibrant. So amazing. And this is on a natural colored butterfly swatch. So there is no other base. It's just the cat eye gel polish. So they hold their own pretty well. And there's that lighter blue. It's almost like a dusty steel blue. And that's it, you guys. So pretty, right? And these were a very, very good price. I'll have the product in the link. Give me a like. I'd love for you to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.